Good afternoon, traders. This is Kevin Craney with RJO Futures with your afternoon financial market update. Markets trading off of the FOMC release this afternoon, where Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke really didn't come out with any huge surprises. Actually, no change in the language, not very much at least. The one thing that everyone seems to be keying in on is that the Fed will be watching the markets closely. And I think that statement is what everyone is looking at for the potential action. What are they going to be watching closely? Certainly we're going to be watching unemployment numbers that come out Friday. We're going to be watching additional regional numbers from different Fed regions, and likewise different manufacturing numbers that come out as well for additional slowdown. As well as looking at other equity markets. It seems like something that the Fed has really been keying in on as well, but probably more importantly would be Europe, and specifically what gets worked out over in Europe. Right now the market is really hinging off of what kind of solution they put together over in Europe. We do have a European Central Bank meeting and a Bank of England meeting tomorrow. The Bank of England meeting will come out at 6 a.m. Chicago time, and the ECB meeting announcement will come out at 6:45 a.m. Chicago time. And at this point, the market's wound tight on the ECB meeting release. Really, I think what they're looking for is asset purchases coming from the ECB. Will they get that or will they not? The Bundesbank pushing back a little bit at this point, saying that the ECB really needs to maintain their one mandate, and that is price stability. So you really hear a lot of back and forth between Mario Draghi and the Bundesbank out of Germany, so it'll be interesting in the morning to see exactly what that announcement entails and if there will be any asset purchases. Markets will be moving off of that. You saw equities really muted after that release this afternoon from the FOMC. The S&P only down about 4 points on the day. You see the NASDAQ actually down about 19 points on the day, and the Dow down only about 32.5. So things really muted as we wait for that ECB decision. In the interest rate world, you do see prices a little lower on interest rate futures. In the cash market, you see yields a little bit higher. Certainly, again, everything on pause at this moment until we see exactly what the ECB does. What's this set up for? Well, if it sets up for a real failure out of the ECB to do anything, particularly after the statements last week, I think you certainly see the equity market tumble. They've built in quite a bit of expectation from the ECB, and likewise you continue to see these treasuries well supported. You see the dollar well supported. And you probably continue to see gold start to sell off a little bit and head toward those lows in the trading range they've been in really since June. So all eyes on the ECB and the Bank of England in the morning. Give me a call at 888-596-5817. We can discuss these financial opportunities and other commodity markets. As always, futures trading is not suitable for everyone and does carry a high degree of risk.